Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing a wig I got from Eunice Hair for about a year and a half ago. I usually just wear my wigs like glueless. I just put it on and then I go out, do whatever I have to do. When I come back home, then I take it off. But today I decided to fix it, as in glue it, and see how that would go. So let's see if after sitting in the wig class for one whole week, let's see if I've learned something. So as you guys can see, I've just brushed out the hair to make it a little bit more fluffy, and I'm trying to adjust it onto my face, the hairline where I want it to be, before I go in with the spray and everything. And mind you, I'm not using the actual glue. Usually people use the actual glue that would glue the hair down for like long. Some people even go to bed with their wigs on, but I'm sorry, I don't know how they do it. When I wear a wig and I lie down with it, it's not comfortable for me at all. So I was just using the urban spray so that I would wear it to church, come back home and take it off, because I really don't know how the girlies do it by going to bed with their wigs on. Well, if in the future I'm able to do that, that would be good. But for now that I cannot, I'll just wear it, glue it down for a bit, go out, come back, and then I take it off. So I'm applying the urban spray on my hairline where I want the wig to be situated. So as you can see now, I'm just using my blow dryer to dry it a bit to make it tacky, and then I'll apply the spray again depending on how sticky I want it to be, or depending on how much glue I want to add and how long I want the hair to be kept on. So I dried it a bit to be tacky, and then I'm going on another round of the urban spray just to ensure it's enough for exactly what I need. Going in with the blow dryer again to make it dry a bit, make it tacky, before putting the wig on the exact hairline. I'm touching to see if it's tacky and if it's enough for me to put the hair on or not. So I'm still using the blow dryer to make it dry much more. Mind you, I'm a complete beginner. This is my first time ever gluing a lace wig. So if you guys have some tips on how you do this, don't forget to comment down below in the comment section. If there is something you think I could do to fasten the process or to achieve better results, of course I'm open to all your suggestions. And thank you for watching this video. Please watch all the way through to the end to see the end results. I'm adding extra urban spray just to make it strong, so it really stays in place, so it doesn't move. I prefer my curly wigs to be should I say fluffy, like bulky. I think bulky is the word. I prefer my wigs to be bulky, where like it's a lot, it feels like it's a lot on your shoulder. That is how I prefer my hair. Going in with the blow dryer again just to make it dry before I put my hairband on. and then I'm using the rat tail comb to sort of press it in fully, make sure it's fully glued to my hairline. Let's make sure everything is fully glued. And as you can see, the hairline, which is the wig line, oh, how do I say it, the lace of the wig looks a little bit irregular because that was how I cut it, making it look irregular, because from the videos, the small videos I've watched on installing wig, they say when you cut it straight it's more visible, but when you cut it irregular it sort of melts down easily into your hairline. So here I'm applying my hairband, just tying it down so it holds the hair down and make sure it's fully glued in. So I'm tying it down and then come to the hair and come and like brush it out, apply my curl keeper and hairspray just to put everything. Okay, yeah, and I'm going to use a hot comb. See, so I've put the hot comb on heat, so it's a bit hot now. Just trying to use it to lay down my, should I say edges? Yeah, the edges of the hair, sort of. I'm applying the glue stick now. I'm listing the items I'm using so it's easier for someone who is a complete beginner like me to understand the whole process. Just applying the glue stick on the middle part because I'm doing the middle part. I like middle part. I think they look good every time, all the time. It's on point. So yeah, I'm using the hot comb to comb it down, make sure all the flyaways go down. Yeah, and I'm enjoying some classical Ghanaian gospel in the background. I like Ghanaian gospel. Like, I think the songs in the 2000s are, I don't want to say better. I know time changes, so music also evolves and all of that, but I prefer the old Ghanaian gospels, like the 2000s. I'm a Gen Z, so during the 2000s, I was still like a baby or a child, and these were the songs we used to listen to growing up, and I loved them so much. So now in my 20s, I'm still listening to those classical gospel songs. I feel like they really speak to you, they speak to your heart, and it's deep. The songs that they're currently doing, I don't know, I don't really feel it. I don't want to say much. All that I can say is that I don't really feel it. I feel like it's more of a show than it is as a praising God or giving praises to God. It's like entertainment. That is the word I'll use, entertainment. Anywho, enough about me and this song. So now I'm using the hot comb. It looks like I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to lay it down, make sure they all lie flat. I think the camera is not even making justice to this hair, because like in person it looks very nice. I got is it wavy? I've forgotten the name of the hair. It's obviously it's a curly hair, but I've forgotten like the exact name. I think I got it in, is it 12 inches? 12 or 14 inches. It's been a long time. This is an old wig, guys. It's a very old wig, so yeah, just trying to give it some how do I say it? Some glory, some shine. Yes, we do. I like this song so much. I'm not feeling very well today. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I said I'm still going to do this voiceover and post this video. see me enjoying the song.
Yes, we do.
So right here I mixed my kill keeper and my mousse. Is it meal mousse and this kill keeper that I used to use when I was in Ghana. I mixed them into a separate bottle with water, and that is what I'm using on the hair right now. So yeah, I think I learned this did I say hack from a friend who like does wigs and sells wigs. So she told me about it, how to like mix these two. Let me enjoy the song more. Now I'm going to apply just the mousse by itself onto the hair. And now as you can see, the wig looks small. I'm even short of words. Yeah, it's no longer bulky as it looked earlier. But once everything dries out, I will comb it out and make it
I still want it to be bulky. I don't want it to be like very small. Okay.
Let's take off the band and see how this is looking. Oh, it's giving some white-ish substances on my face. Okay, let's see how I clear this out.
I'll take it. Complete beginner. I'll take it. First time doing this, so I'll take it. Now let's see how to remove these. How do I remove this? Okay. Let's try this tinted lace.
So this is the ebony lace tint that I bought for like also a long time ago, but I haven't really used. I feel like I have a lot of hair items, but I don't use them because I don't like gluing my wigs, because my scalp is always very itchy, so I don't like gluing my wigs. So this is a very old product I bought that I never used
because I still want it to be bulky,
but I decided to use it.
Or maybe I'll brush it out when I put my outfit on.